dropping the first 500 packs of Doritos Dynamitas into Australia from this helicopter.
We have got a tribe here. Can we catch every single packet?
We've got people with all sorts of catching tactics.
We're almost there, boys. Get ready. We're coming in hot.
I see Stanford, he's coming!
3, 2, 1, go!
That's good.
Wow, that's hot.
Spicy, definitely.
That is flaming hot.
That's delicious. Oh, look at my fingers.
We are choosing 200 of you to be the first to try